Okay. I got a little bit of snow on me. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I've been trying to leave you a little bit of it. Well, looks like we got some here. Be able to. Come on, do your thing. Give it a little shake. Come on, give it a little shake. Go ahead. That's it, girl. Good girl. Okay, all right. All right. All right, I'll get this one out of the way for you. Hey, I think I see some more horses. Where'd they go? Oop, maybe I'm seeing things. Here they are. I think they see us now.
Really, you see?
Hmm.
Herman's over there.
Go easy here. Could be a little ice underneath. Yeah, who's that? Hey, Cody. Charlie. Freddie. Bella.
Bill just noticed these guys and had a little heart attack.
She just noticed them? Come on.
Flipped out. Look at everybody. Oh, glitter. Look at glitter.
Bella, come on up here. There's no way am I getting them, getting my head in this mess. All right. This is a long one. Okay.